Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to compare two popular air fryer ovens, the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi. We'll be evaluating them on different categories, so let's see which one comes out on top. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. The Instant Vortex Plus has a compact design with stainless steel accents, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. Meanwhile, the Ninja Foodi has a larger capacity and comes with two independent baskets. It also has a sleek black design. Both products have 6-in-1 functionality, but the Instant Vortex Plus has one-touch customizable programs for different meals, while the Ninja Foodi has dual-zone technology allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once. The Ninja Foodi also has an IQ Boost feature for quick cooking. The Instant Vortex Plus has even crisp technology, which drives the airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results. The Ninja Foodi claims to have up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods and cooks two 6-pound chickens up to 30% faster than a traditional oven. The Instant Vortex Plus is priced at $129, while the Ninja Foodi is priced at $199. And there you have it. Both products have their pros and cons, but it ultimately depends on your personal preferences and cooking needs. We hope this comparison video helps you in making an informed decision. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.